Hey guys, it's Cole back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super basic V4 engine out of Legos using everyday pieces. So first, I'm going to show you guys it working, and then I'm going to show you how it works. And if you're looking at this and thinking, whoa man, I don't have that much pieces, like I can only make a V1. Yes, that was sarcasm. I have a V2 at the end of the video, V-twin, whatever, I know. And I'll show you guys how to make that. First, I'm going to show you how this works though. Okay, first, this is it running. Relatively pretty smooth. Honestly, doesn't have too much friction for being a brick engine. I'll show you guys a little side angle. Honestly, not bad. Okay, now I'm just going to take the cylinder off and show you guys how it all works. So first, I have the cylinders. This is just made out of just a brick of Legos. And the thing is, that's cool about these brick engines, you don't need it to be a 2x2 piston. If you wanted to, you could actually make a 3x3, which I have made, but I couldn't make a V4 with a 3x3 because I don't have that many pieces. Okay? And then the piston, as you probably could have assumed, wow, 2x2 also? Yeah. And then also, I just have this little hinge right here, along with the rod, and then a little joint, just so it's able to flex as it goes through the stroke. And that's about all there is to the pistons. I mean, they're pretty simple, and I've made more basic connecting rods before. I mean, it's not that complex. And then, if you look down here, just another hinge that the connecting rod goes to. And then if you look down here, this is where all the magic happens. So this controls your firing order of the fake pistons. So you could just do an up, down, and have it be relatively basic, along with the V4 configuration, which actually makes the firing pattern pretty interesting. But I decided to go with a down, up, down, just to make it a little bit different. And that's pretty much all there is to the engine. Like, if you're making it and you're having a hard time with the pistons grabbing on the cylinder and sticking, one of the problems, it could just be the bricks are chewed on. I mean, it's Legos, it happens. Or what happens, you get this angle wrong. What I like to do when I'm lining the piston up is make sure that the stroke goes directly down to this center line right here. If it's at any angle, it'll cause a lot of unnecessary friction. And they actually do add a little bit of angle to engines in real life, but that's just to help with efficiency and power curve, etc. But there's not exactly a power curve with Legos. And then besides that, there's just a flywheel and a gearbox. That's all there is to it. Okay, now on to the easy part. If this was looking a little too difficult for you, V-twin. Okay, this is about as simple as it gets besides making a one cylinder. So instead of having the really complex firing order, all you do is you just add a little offset right there and connect both connecting rods to it. Because what you can do is, since it's a V-twin, it won't just have a simultaneous firing order. It'll actually go like left, right, left, right, left, right, because of how it's set up. And that's all there is to it. Like, just make sure you line your cylinders up or there'll be a lot of friction. And then besides that, just hook a motor and a gearbox up to it and see how many Legos you can break. I mean, that's all there is to it. And that pretty much concludes my lesson. I know it's a little bit short, but I try to keep it concise. If you guys have any recommendations of what you want me to build, just let me know. I'll see if I can do it. And besides that, see you next time.